Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some hot Moneypiece highlights and hair coloring trends and ideas. These are some of the trends that I'm seeing within the Moneypiece highlight trend that has been circulating around. This is definitely one of my favorite hairstyles to try out at the moment. I think that this trend is absolutely gorgeous. It's a great way to really bring out your eyes and make your features pop. Love how it frames the face and really just adds something new and different overall. So there are many different variations and ways that you can play around with this particular trend. You can dye your hair 2 different colors. You can get highlights, you can get lowlights, balayage. Loving this rosy rose gold tone that is featured with this Moneypiece highlight. She does also have highlights throughout her hair, but you can still see that the Moneypiece portion of the hair still brightens up her complexion. And then here we see one that features an orange tone as well as a black and blonde combination. This combination is very popular right now. It's really a stark contrast overall to the hair. And then once again, we have a pop of color with the use of this pink as well as this red. I think trying out a bold color in the front portion of the hair is a great way to just kind of mix in some of the bold color shades that we're seeing this season without dyeing your entire head. So here's more of a semi-subtle way to do this with more natural colors, blonde and brunette tones. And then here is more of a unicorn combination. And then once again, this is more of a subtle way to rock this trend, as well as this one. So here is a brown and a blonde combo. She does have highlights throughout as well. And then here we see a blonde take on this trend. This is a great way to bring out your eyes. Loving this bob. And then last but not least, we have this pop of purple in the front portion of the hair. So she is also getting highlights in the back as well, or color in the back, I should say. This is such a pretty trend, and it's one in which women can really make their own and really just kind of do what they want to do as far as bringing in color and life into the hair overall. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. Let me know if you're loving this trend as much as I am. Leave me your comments and thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one.